Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Grace. Today we are working on lesson 6.8 and that starts on page 433 right here. So make sure you're open to this lesson. I'm going to flip this page. You're going to do this most likely with your teacher on a Zoom. And then I'm going to flip to this page for a second. I'm going to stop here. So if you notice, there are two problems up here that have the hundreds, tens, and ones labeled and the three boxes. And then here, they don't have those boxes there for you and those labels there for you. You can draw your own boxes if you would like, or you could just write on top of the numbers. And then notice here on 7 and 8, it got even smaller and closer together, and they don't have the lines. So I want you to draw the lines to separate the hundreds, tens, and ones place. Like I said, you could draw your own boxes if you want, or you can just write right on top there without boxes. So I just want to point that out before we move on to the next page. Number 9 also, it says choose one exercise above. We're not talking about exercise like working out exercise. We're talking about choose one of the problems. So that just means one of the problems above. Describe the subtraction that you did. Be sure to tell about the values of the digits of the numbers. So you need to go through each step and tell me or your teacher what you did. So you pick a problem. So you could write number 3, first I subtracted in the ones place. It said be sure to tell about the values of the digits and the numbers. So in the ones place was 9 minus 2. So I got 7. So the value of the ones is 7 and go on from there. All right, and then we're going to flip to this page and we are going to work on numbers 10 and 11 together. I'm going to go ahead and pause this just for a second so I can zoom in so you have a closer look. Okay, so we are working on number 10 together. Number 10. It says Sam made 2 towers. He used 139 blocks for the first tower. He used 276 blocks in all. For which tower did he use more blocks? So my question is looking for which tower did he use more blocks? He made 2 towers, 139 for the first tower. He used 276 blocks in all. So I'm going to draw a little picture over here. First tower, second tower. So 1 and 2. For the first tower, he used 139 blocks. We don't know what he used for the second tower. That's our mystery number. But we know that all together, he used 276 blocks in all. So we can think back to our bar models. I'm going to redraw that. The total number of blocks used was 276. The first tower was 139, and we're looking for the second tower. We're looking for this mystery number here. So we're looking for a smaller piece. So we cannot add these two numbers together. If we added these two numbers together, we would not be finding that smaller missing piece. We need to subtract our two numbers to find out how many blocks were used in the second tower. So when I subtract, it's super important when I'm doing word problems and I'm setting my problem up for myself, the bigger number has to be on top. So 139, 276, I can see in my bar model, my bigger number is 276. It has a 2 in the hundreds place. 276 minus 139. All right, I start in the ones place. I have 6. Can I take 9 away from 6? No, I cannot. It's too big. There's not enough. This number here, 9, is on the floor and there's more. So if there's more on the floor, you have to go next door. And from next door, we need to take a 10. So my 7 becomes a 6 and my 6 becomes a 16. So I give them 10 more. Now I can subtract 16 minus 9. I'm going to put 9 in my head. 9. Count up. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Then I go to my tens place here. 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer for the second tower is 137. That's not my answer for the question. If I go back and look, for which tower did he use more blocks? So now we have to look at our two towers here. So for the first tower, he's 139, and for the second tower, he's 137. So which one is more? First tower. W, it's pretty terrible. Right, the first tower. So 139 is greater than 137. Has a 9 in the ones place. This has a 7 in the ones place. And then it says explain how you solved. Well, first of all, we had to find the number of towers in the second block. I'm sorry, in the second tower. So to find the number of blocks in the second tower, we needed to subtract. So I subtracted 276 minus 139 to find the number of blocks in the second tower. Then I compared to see which one was bigger. And I found that 139 is greater than 137. So that is my explanation of how I solved the problem. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if you need to write, solve, show work. You should be showing your work in your math book, just like you would be in class. You should not just write answers down. You should have your numbers lined up. You should solve it. I drew this. You could write that as well, and then you need to write your explanation. All right, now we are on number 11. It says this is how many points each class scored in a math game. So the first box says Mrs. Rose 444 points. The second box has Mr. Chang scoring 429 points. And the last one, Mr. Pagano, his class, scored 293 points. So now we need to read the question. How many more points did Mr. Chang's class score than Mr. Pagano's class? Draw a picture and explain how you found your answer. So we need to figure out how many more. So it's going to be a bigger number first. How many more points did Mr. Chang's class score than Mr. Pagano's class? So we're looking for Mr. Chang and Mr. Pagano. We don't need Mrs. Rose. That is a number that we do not need to solve this problem. We only need these two. Mr. Chang's class scored more points. So we have to figure out how many more points. When we're figuring out how many more and we're comparing two numbers like that, to find out how many more we need to subtract. So the bigger number's on top, 429 minus 293. All right, we start in the ones place when we're subtracting. The bigger number's on top. Don't stop. So we can just go ahead and subtract. We don't have to stop and regroup. 9 minus 3. Make sure you pause the video, write this problem down, and go ahead and solve the ones place, 9 minus 3. All right, 9 minus 3 is 6. So that goes in the ones place. Now I'm in the tens place here. 2 minus 9. If I have two dots here, up top, 1, 2, I cannot take 9 away. So I need to regroup. Because this one, the bigger number's on the floor, I need to go next door. So the 4 becomes a 3, and my 2 becomes a 12. Now I can subtract 12 minus 9. I want you to pause and think about that. 12 minus 9 is 3, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is 136 more points. That's how many more points he scored. I'm going to also draw a picture here. So we have 4 hundredths, 2 tens, and 9 ones. So in the ones place, we had to take 3 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which we got. In the tens place, we want to take 9 away. Uh-oh, we don't have 9. We have 2. So we had to regroup. We had to go next door and get 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I took 100, and 100 is worth 10 tens, so then I brought 10 tens over here. Now I have 12, which is why up top here we have the number 12. Now I could take 9 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have 3 left, which was my number in the tens place. Now in the hundreds place, 3, take away 2, left with 100. So our number is 136. All right, guys, make sure you take your time solving problems. You can rewatch the video if you need help on any of these again, and make sure you show your work in your math books. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!